Are you planning on going on vacation anytime soon and you're in need of a hotel to lodge? Or are you just looking for hotels that you might want to get to in the future? You're in the right place. Welcome to today's video where we bring you the most expensive hotels in the world. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Be sure to watch till the end as you might find yourself in one of these places sometime, and you might just need the right place to go. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. This hotel is the tallest hotel in the world with 202 rooms that spell out luxury. The building, designed by Tom Wright, has a shape that's similar to that of a ship's sail, and it's a 7-star hotel. Set on an island, this luxurious hotel is a 5-minute walk from Wild Wadi Water Park and just 4 kilometers from Mall of the Emirates. The opulent suites feature floor-to-ceiling windows which give you a beautiful view of the city. All rooms have 24-karat gold iPads, free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen TV, and iPods. They also offer Egyptian linens, designer toiletries, whirlpool baths, and butler services. With 9 restaurants and bars where you can get all kinds of international and intercontinental dishes, 4 pools and a private beach, you can be sure that you're getting maximum luxury and enjoyment. All guests have access to breakfast buffets and buffet dinners. The room services are top-notch as they also offer full laundry services, and the front desk is open 24/7. Other features include fitness centers, spa, sauna, car rentals, and an airport shuttle. The average cost for a night in the hotel is estimated to be $23,000. Not too much though when you think of all that you'll be getting. Hotel Plaza Atheny, France. Located in the heart of Paris is this magnificent 5-star hotel which is nothing short of grandeur. Built in 1911, this hotel offers the best in the hospitality business in France. With a total of 208 individually decorated rooms, this hotel offers luxury and class all round. It's been said that your trip to Paris isn't complete if you have not seen the Eiffel Tower. Luckily, the hotel is situated in a place where you can get to relish the sight of the Eiffel Tower from there. The biggest suite is located on the 5th floor of the hotel. The hotel amenities include a world-class bar, which has some of the best wines in the world, a restaurant where you can be sure to satisfy all your cravings for delicious French cuisines, a gym, a large swimming pool, laundry services, business center, concierge service, and of course a parking space large enough to accommodate guests' cars. There's a full-service spa also available to guests, bathtub, and a mini bar for nights where you just want to relax by yourself in your room. A night at the hotel costs $27,000 too, and with all the amenities made available, you're sure to get your money's worth. The Royal Suite. Staying a night at the Royal Suites located in the Plaza, New York will cost you $40,000. A private elevator gets you into the suite and you're welcomed into 400 square foot of magnificent luxury. The living room, which has a grand piano in it, is designed exquisitely with the latest top-class amenities and luxuries. The Royal Suite has 3 bedrooms and bathrooms, a separate dining room with a maximum capacity of 12 persons, a lounge, and a fitness room. You have the full view of 5th Avenue from the bedroom. There's also a 24-hour butler service at your disposal anytime you want. The immensely exquisite master bedroom features beautiful mosaic floors and walls decorated with floral motifs, 24-karat gold-plated fixtures, private WCs, and a heated floor. The top-notch electronic rooms control the climate lighting and windows in the room. Raj Palace Hotel, Jaipur, India. Formerly named the Maharajas Pavilion, Raj Palace Hotel is the most expensive hotel in Asia and has a price tag of $43,000 a night. Built in 1727, it's branded as a Grand Heritage Hotel. This luxury hotel affords you some unique and memorable larger-than-life experiences that are very hard to come by. It is located a short distance from all sightseeing and shopping places, which make the hotel an ideally located tourist stopover. The hotel houses 50 luxurious rooms and suites inspired by Mughal and the 17th century architecture. The suites showcase the rich heritage and culture of Jaipur. The presidential suite has a museum that celebrates the rich Indian heritage. The hotel offers global gourmet meals ranging from the rich, spicy Indian cuisines to international dishes. The bar, which also serves the finest drinks, is decorated with the finest hand paintings depicting hunting scenes. The bar is also called the Hunter's Lounge. The Muraka Suite, the Conrad. This hotel is said to be the first underwater hotel suite in the world. Located in Maldives at the Conrad, this is a true magnificence. The hotel is a 2-story building with the bottom story about 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. On arrival, you'll get transported from the main entrance by private speedboat or seaplane, which you have for your usage for the duration of your stay at the hotel. For $50,000 a night, you'll enjoy the services of a private chef and butler, a bar, a gym, and an infinity pool. The master bedroom is a 180-degree curved acrylic door with floor-to-ceiling windows in the bathroom and the walk-in closet. Although it costs $50,000 for a night, the minimum reservation you can book a stay for is 4 nights. Hotel Martinez. The penthouse suite in the Hotel Martinez will cost you $53,000 for a night. And with that, you can expect to enjoy a 100 square foot of luxury suite located on the topmost floor of the hotel, with a beautiful panoramic view across the ocean from your own wood-paneled panorama private terrace. In each bedroom is a king-sized bed, marble bathrooms, a Turkish bath, and a private jacuzzi on the terrace, and of course a separate living and dining room. If you're into a lot of arts, expect to be blown away by several artifacts from legendary artists like Picasso and Matisse hanging on the walls of the suite. The Mark Penthouse, the Mark Hotel. The Grand Penthouse in the Mark Hotel is the largest penthouse in the world of the United States. The penthouse covers 10,000 square feet and is spatially spread over the 2 topmost floors of the hotel. At $75,000 per night, you can get 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4 fireplaces, 2 powder rooms, 2 wards, and a magnificent open living room that can be transformed into a full-size ballroom with a 26-foot ceiling. One of the nicest features of this penthouse is the 250 square meter terrace, and from there you can get a panoramic view of the Central Park. Hotel President Wilson Royal Penthouse Suite. Located close to the United Nations building in Lake Geneva, this hotel is named after the 28th President of the United States of America. People who visit the hotel have said that they enjoy the magnificent views of the Swiss Alps. Furnished elegantly with stylish amenities, the 204 guest rooms and 22 suites are equipped with high-quality LCD screens. The floor-to-ceiling windows also boast the distinctive views of the city and Lake Geneva. The restaurant compromises different dishes ranging from seasonal Japanese fusions of meals in a French Riviera atmosphere to 2 mouth-watering dishes at the Arabesque Lebanese restaurant. The penthouse suite at the hotel, which consists of 12 bedrooms and bathrooms, goes for $80,000 per night. And for that, you'd be getting access to a 2,500 square foot living room that overlooks Lake Geneva, a Steinway grand piano, and an entertainment area with a 1930 Brunswick billiard table. The suite also has its own gym, a private terrace with a telescope, and each bathroom has its own jacuzzi and a steam shower. All bathrooms are outfitted with Hermes bath products. The presidential suite has been reported to have housed high-profile individuals like Bill Gates, Richard Branson, the King of Saudi Arabia, Tony Blair, and the legendary Michael Jackson. Empathy Suite. The Empathy Suite at the Palms, Las Vegas costs $100,000 for a night. The suite is a full redesign by Damien Guest and a complete overhaul of the old Sky Villa suite in the Palms. You get 2 master bedrooms, a cantilevered jacuzzi that overlooks the Las Vegas Strip, massage tables, a salt relaxation room, and a private tour of art collections and amenities. These art collections feature 6 Damien Hirst originals and custom furnitures and his motifs. Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine St. Lucia. This is officially the most expensive hotel in the world with a booking of $175,000 per night. What makes this hotel unique is that while other hotels are situated on land or water, this hotel is located at a considerable depth of the ocean. This luxury-designed submarine will get you an optimum and ultimate romantic experience deep underwater. You can get an underwater view of the entire marine world, from schools of fish, pods of dolphins, to the entire landscape of coral. The guests aboard get a captain, butler, and a private chef, speedboat transfers, and optional additional services that include helicopter transfers, beach landing, 2-person shower, and a champagne-soaked breakfast. That's right, champagne never goes out. This luxurious submarine, exclusively crafted for couples to spend some quality time together in complete isolation and harmony underwater. And that sums it up for the most expensive hotels in the world. You can let us know in the comments section the hotel you would want to visit. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Share them with your friends too. Till next time, when we'll be bringing you another interesting topic. Bye-bye.